November 20th, what a gorgeous day. Stareach with you, we really wanna play. May God bless you today and forever. We praise the Lord for you are so clever.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Stareach. We love you with no reach. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Fully enjoy your Depi. We adore you, Richie.
We love you. We are so proud of you. I wish you many, many, many more years of love.
From the bottom of my heart, my beloved son Stareach, I love you.
Just want to wish you a happy birthday. Hope you enjoy your day. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. We all celebrate with you. We're happy thanks to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Stareach, enjoy this day. God shall bless you every day. Oh yes.
Happy birthday, Stareach. Happy birthday.